If I can, I like to be ready for the unexpected. And that's why I'm excited to be with you today to talk about this Sockspree Portable Tire Inflator. It was sent to me by the company so that I could do an honest review of it. So with that, let's open the box and see what's inside. Here we see everything that comes in the box. And obviously right here we have the tire inflator itself. But before we get more into that, let's talk about all of the other things that come with it. First, we have the user manual over here, and as you can see, it's a color user manual, which makes it really easy to read. Next, we have this cigarette lighter, and this end can plug right into the tire inflator so you can charge it when you're out and about in your vehicle. Next, we have this USB to USB-C cable, and this can be used in two different ways. First, you could plug the USB end into your cell phone charger and then plug the USB-C end into the tire inflator, and you can use it to charge the tire inflator. You can also use this to charge your cell phone or other electronic device. You could just plug the USB end into the inflator and then the USB-C end into your smartphone or whatever device you want to charge. Here we have the air hose that we can attach to the inflator. And then here we have lots of different attachments. First, we have this attachment right here to inflate a ball. This next one right here would be for those smaller valve stems like you might see on some bicycles. So this is an adapter so you can more easily inflate those tires. And then we also have these two adapters right here to inflate maybe like a pool floaty or an inflatable mattress. And then lastly, we have this fuse, which is a spare fuse in case you need to replace the one that's inside the cigarette lighter power cord. We also have this nice carrying bag, and obviously if you want to bring this with you on the go or leave it in your car, this is so nice because it allows you to not only keep the inflator inside of it, but all of these other items so you have it all in one place whenever you need them. Now let's take a closer look at the inflator itself. So you push the middle button and hold it down for just a couple of seconds, and everything powers on. And the first thing that I'll point out is we have this bottom button, which changes the mode that the inflator is in. So right now we can see here it is in car mode for inflating vehicle tires. And now this is for motorcycles or mopeds. And next, bicycles. And you can see there is a preset PSI value, a preset pressure that it is automatically defaulting to. And now this is for balls, so basketball or some other ball that you might need to inflate. And this is the custom mode. Now let's go back to the car mode, and you can see here, first of all, I can make it go lower or higher for whichever mode I am in. And these presets just get you in the ballpark. So quickly, I want to inflate a car tire. It has it at 36 PSI, and that just makes it easier and faster, and I can adjust it up or down from there, whatever I need to do. Next, let's talk about the light. You can see the light is right here, and this is the button to turn it on. And if I push that, you can see the light comes on. And then if I need some assistance, all I need to do is push the light one more time and it begins flashing. And if I push it one more time still, it flashes faster. So it's a really nice feature if you're stranded somewhere and need assistance to have this flashing feature. And if I push it one more time, then the light turns off. Now, let's take a look at this hose, and we will attach it to the tire inflator. And you can see there are threads on the end of this, and we just screw it right in there. And I don't know how good you will be able to see this, but I will do my best. Whoops. Oops. See, you don't have to turn it that many times. And we have it attached. So now let's take a closer look on the top of the inflator. And right here we can see this again is where we would plug the cigarette lighter into to charge it. And then if I want to charge my smartphone, I can plug it in here. And then I could charge my phone like so. And then if I want to use my phone charger to charge the inflator itself, I can just plug the USB-C end right there. And that's all there is to it. So let's take this outside and inflate a car tire so you can see how it works. Hey guys, I'm Dan, and welcome to Dan's Review Lab. I test all kinds of products, so you don't have to. If you find something interesting in this video, check the description for my affiliate link. This means that I will earn a small commission if you buy something. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest reviews. I certainly appreciate it, and now let's get back to the review. We're outside now, so let's turn on the portable inflator. And we have this nice long hose. Not every portable inflator has a hose this long. And all you need to do is put this end on the valve stem and then push this lever down. And here you can see that it reads 32 PSI in the tire. I want it to go up to 36, which is the default on this one for the auto. And all we need to do then is push start and it will start inflating. And as you can see, once it got to 36 PSI, it shut off automatically, and it actually inflated the tire pretty quickly and didn't make all that much noise. In addition to its small size and portability, some things I really appreciate about this inflator are its air hose, which, like I said earlier, is a bit longer than some other models I have seen, and its ability to be charged through this power cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter. Not all portable inflators offer this. Finally, I really like the orange markings on the buttons, which make them very easy to read, especially compared to some other portable inflators I have used. So as you can see, this Sockspree Portable Inflator is loaded with great features, comes with all the accessories you will need, and is super easy to use. I highly recommend it, either for yourself or to buy for someone else as a gift. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.